You already have a long video. The problem is that one upload has only one chance to be discovered. In this tutorial, I will turn one long video into 10 useful shorts with ChatGPT and Canva free. The goal is not to press an automatic button and hope for viral clips. The goal is to find 10 ideas that make sense on their own, package them clearly, and publish them as a small content system. No coding, no pay plan, and no promise of guaranteed views. Start with a source that has enough substance. A tutorial, a podcast, a webinar, or a detailed talking head video. A 10-minute video is enough for this workflow. Before opening any tool, write down the audience, the main promise, and the one action you want viewers to take. If the source is unclear, the shorts will be unclear too. We're not cutting random moments. We are building 10 small answers from one larger conversation. Open ChatGPT and paste the transcript, or paste a clean summary if the transcript is too long. Use a specific prompt. Ask ChatGPT to find 10 moments and require a timestamp, a one-sentence idea, a viewer problem, a short hook, and a reason the moment can stand alone. Add a rule. Do not invent facts, do not repeat the title, and do not choose a clip that needs 10 minutes of context. The better the constraints, the less time you spend cleaning up weak suggestions. Now turn each idea into a simple short structure: hook, proof, and next step. The hook earns the first 2 seconds. The proof gives one useful detail from a source. The next step tells the viewer what to try or where to watch the full video. Keep the spoken hook short enough to read naturally. If ChatGPT gives you 10 versions that sound the same, ask for contrast. One mistake, one checklist, one surprising result, one before and after, and one quick tutorial. Do not publish the first 10 ideas automatically. Score every candidate from 1 to 5 for clarity, usefulness, visual potential, and independence from the original context. Drop anything that is vague, repetitive, or impossible to show on screen. Your final 10 should feel like 10 different doors into the same topic. This is the human part of the workflow. ChatGPT can sort language, but you decide what is accurate, helpful, and worth a viewer's attention. Open Canva and create a YouTube Shorts video in a vertical 9:16 format. Build one clean template before making 10 clips. Use a strong top label, a large central caption area, and a small source label at the bottom. Keep the background simple and reserve one accent color for the important word. A reusable template is faster than designing 10 unrelated videos, and a consistent series is easier for viewers to recognize in the feed. For short number 1, place the strongest video moment in the center and trim the first second so the clip starts with movement or a clear expression. Add the hook as on-screen text, but do not write every word the speaker says. Use captions for the important sentence and highlight one keyword with the accent color. Add a tiny progress bar or number marker so the viewer understands that this is part of a useful series. This is where a basic clip becomes more attractive. Animate the hook in with a quick slide. Scale the keywords slightly when it is spoken, and use a gentle push-in on the source video. Add a small pointer, underline, or highlight only when it explains something. Avoid constant bouncing, spinning, and flashing. Motion should direct the eye, not compete with the message. Change the visual beat every few seconds. Face, caption, close-up, then a clear takeaway card. Duplicate the Canva page 9 times. Keep the same type scale, colors, and caption position. Then replace the source moment and the hook. Adapt the visual treatment to the idea. A mistake clip can use a red warning tag. A checklist clip can use numbered steps. A before and after clip can use a split screen. You're creating a family of shorts, not 10 copies. Consistency builds recognition, while variation keeps the feed from feeling repetitive. Export each short as an MP4 in vertical format. Name the files in publishing order: source, topic, 01 through source, topic 10. Watch the first and last 2 seconds of every file. Check that the captions are inside the safe area, the audio is clear, and no sentence ends in the middle of a thought. Put the 10 videos, a text file with titles and hashtags, and a simple upload checklist in one folder. Organization is part of the service. Publish the shorts as a series instead of dumping all 10 at once. Start with 1 per day or 3 per week if you're doing this for a client. Give each one a distinct title based on the actual hook, and use the same series phrase in the description. Add the long video as the related source when YouTube offers that option. Pin a comment that sends interested viewers to the full tutorial, and keep a simple record of views, retention, and comments. This workflow can become a practical service. Offer 1 long video repurposing pilot, 10 shorts, 10 titles, captions, organized files, and 1 revision round. Be clear about what the client supplies and what you deliver. Start with a small project, measure how much time it saves, and improve the template after every batch. The client is not paying for ChatGPT or Canva. They're paying for useful ideas, clean editing, and a publishing package that removes work from their week. Avoid 5 mistakes. Do not let AI invent a claim that was never in the source. Do not use tiny captions that disappear on a phone. Do not make every short start with the same sentence. Do not use motion effects that hide the speaker. And do not promise a number of views. Track what viewers actually watch, improve the first 2 seconds, and keep the strongest lesson visible even when the sound is off. Your next move is simple. Choose 1 long video, create 10 scored ideas in ChatGPT, build 1 Canva template, and finish the first 3 shorts today. Then publish the best one and learn from the response. If this workflow helped, like the video and subscribe to FiSci Tech Lab. In the comments, write the long video you would repurpose first. One source can become a week of useful content when the ideas are clear and the packaging is consistent.